Okay, go ahead.
Good afternoon, ladies. So this is again for women by women. Today we're going to be going into a little bit of upper body work. All you're going to need is a tree and one of these bands for all 5 exercises. So good luck and have fun. Alright, so let's get started on our first exercise. This is your straight arm lat pull down. You want to make sure you've got perfect posture here, keeping your arms as straight as possible throughout the entire movement. You're going to feel this all down your back. Alright, so here we've got a version of a bicep curl using bands to do it. Instead of having your arms close by your sides, we have our arms at shoulder height. For our third exercise here, we're going to work on the core. You want to really keep your core engaged through this movement, and the only thing that should be moving is your knees and your arms. We're not rotating with the pull. Here we have your overhead tricep extension. We're coming into a split stance position. This is mostly just for your balance. Also keep in mind to keep your back straight so your low back doesn't start to work. We're reaching our arms 90 degrees and pulling back. For this exercise, we're coming back to our back. We have a little combo here, so you're doing single arm, and then both arms. So again, I'm Sarah Wick. I hope you enjoyed this upper body workout. Link and subscribe below. Thank you, and find me on Instagram, sarah.l.fit. Have a great day.